Hey everybody, welcome back to Terra Mater Gardens, and today we're diving into the world of tobacco hornworms. The tobacco hornworm is a large green caterpillar commonly found on tobacco and tomato plants. It is the larval stage of the Carolina sphinx moth, a nocturnal moth native to the Americas. The tobacco hornworms are often confused with tomato hornworms, but they are distinct species. The tobacco hornworm plays a significant role in scientific research due to its rapid growth and easy cultivation. Tobacco hornworms can detoxify harmful alkaloids from the tobacco plant through their specialized metabolic processes. This ability allows them to thrive on plants that are toxic to most other animals. Tobacco hornworms are large, bright green caterpillars with diagonal white stripes along their sides and a distinct curved red horn on their posterior, which gives them their name. They can grow up to 4 inches long and are smooth to the touch. As they mature, they eventually pupate and emerge as large gray-brown Carolina sphinx moths. Tobacco hornworms are widespread in North, Central, and South America. They are typically found in gardens, agricultural fields, and forests where their host plants, tobacco, tomatoes, and other members of the nightshade family, are present. They thrive in warm, temperate environments and are particularly active in late summer. Tobacco hornworms are voracious feeders, consuming large amounts of leaves from tobacco, tomato, and pepper plants. They can be a major agricultural pest, defoliating crops rapidly. Their diet is made up exclusively of nightshade plants, which they rely on for nutrition and defense. In their caterpillar stage, they are active during the day, but as adults, they are nocturnal and feed on nectar. If kept in captivity, tobacco hornworms need fresh leaves from their preferred host plants, particularly tobacco and tomato leaves. They require a container with good ventilation and space to climb and move. As they approach pupation, they will bury into the soil another soft material to pupate. So it is important to provide an appropriate substrate. These caterpillars are solitary and do not require companions, as they may become competitive for food. Tobacco hornworms are widely used in biological research due to their large size, rapid development, and ability to detoxify plant alkaloids. In the pet community, they are a popular feed source for reptiles, amphibians, and birds, offering a nutritious, high-moisture meal. However, in gardening and farming, they are considered pests capable of causing significant crop damage. Control methods typically involve handpicking and natural predators, such as parasitic wasps. Although harmless to humans and non-venomous, excessive handling can stress the caterpillars, so it's best to minimize unnecessary contact. That's it for the fascinating tobacco hornworm. From their ability to feed on toxic plants to their transformation into impressive sphinx moths, they offer a unique window to the insect world. And if you found this video informative, do not forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insect facts.